In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your Buy It Now listings to auction-style listings on eBay. This transformation can help you potentially reach a larger audience and encourage a more competitive buying process. Let's dive into the steps and make sure you have all the tools you need to make this switch smoothly. First, let's visit eBay.com. If you haven't done so already, log into your account to access your seller options. This should be a familiar process if you're a regular seller, but for those who are newer to eBay, make sure you've entered your username and password accurately to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, the next step is to click on the Sell link, typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. This link will direct you to the section of eBay dedicated to managing your selling activities, where you can view your current listings, drafts, and other seller tools. Now that you're in the selling section, look under the Listings tab. Here you have a couple of options. You can choose to create a new listing or click on drafts to modify an existing one. The choice really depends on your current needs. If you're starting from scratch, creating a listing might be best. But for this tutorial, let's focus on switching an existing listing. So head over to your drafts. In the drafts section, find the item listing you want to edit. Once you've identified it, click on the resume draft option. This will allow you to access and modify the details of your draft listing. With your listing draft open, scroll down to find the pricing section. This is where you can make the pivotal change from a Buy It Now listing to an auction-style listing. Under the format options, you'll see the current setting for Buy It Now. To switch to an auction format, you simply need to click on the auction option. Selecting auction will activate the features related to auction-style selling on eBay. This method helps create urgency and competition among potential buyers, possibly driving your sale price higher than initially expected. Once you've selected the auction format, make sure to review the rest of your listing details to ensure everything is correct and optimized for auction-style selling. Finally, when you're satisfied with the changes, make sure to save your listing. Depending on your preference, you can either save it as a draft for further review or proceed to list it live on eBay for the world to see. And there you have it. You've successfully switched your Buy It Now listing to an auction-style listing. By following these steps, you can enhance the appeal of your items and potentially achieve a more successful sale. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on eBay.